In a rapid developing city, technology changes with each passing day. Made in Smart, open for the future manufacturing. Links to Industry 4. With science and technology create value to lead time. JSWAY CNC continuous innovation of smart machine tool manufacturer. Breakthrough technology, smart future. JSWAY, a big company which starts early in the field of computer numerical control machine tools area, persisting in technology innovation, striving for smart manufacturing 2025. With the important developing strategy developing smart manufacturing, linking to Industry 4, products covering every field of machining, providing high-end smart equipment, one-stop solution and service for every industry, to build up the lead role in the CNC machine tool industry, to achieve a leap-type development. Leading smart manufacturer, making every innovation more value. JSWAY has a team of high-qualified and international technical personnel who hanging on to quality, making constant innovation for many years, leading the industry's advanced science and technology, and constantly improving the machine tool configuration. JSWAY has become the business paradigm in equipment manufacturing industry and smart technology innovation. The strong producing strength, high cost-effective, high precision and smart equipment creating higher value for the customer. World's leading and modern assembly line. Critical components from world's well-known brand. Advanced manufacturing process and numerical control production mode, ensuring every high-quality motion component. The machine tools are produced and assembled in strict accordance with ISO 9001 authentication by experienced engineers. Customers satisfied. JSWAY pursue. The high speed, high precision, high-end, and excellent performance smart machine tools are comparable to international-like products. JSWAY provide advanced technology and technical solutions of all kinds of small precision parts and complex composite parts. The machine tools are widely used in communication, refrigeration, optical instruments, household appliances, aerospace, automobile, motorcycle, electronics, special motor, watch and so on industry. JSWAY providing comprehensive solution for domestic and foreign well-known brand, enjoying sound reputation in machine tools industry. We especially recommend 4 main products this year. The Swiss-type CNC lathe, combined turning and milling capability, especially suitable for mass, multiple machining long working pieces and small complex rotary parts. High-precision machine tools can keep a long-term accuracy. JSWAY standard turning and milling combined CNC lathe has the excellent function of machining complicated parts, combining turning, milling, and drilling in one clamping. Innovative technology, technology upgrade, multifunction in one machine. JSWAY CNC game tool lathe is suitable for machining LED and mobile industrial parts. The high cost-effective and multifunction is a new trend in the machining industry in the future. The smart configuration of CNC turning and milling combined lathe was highly improved based on the original design. The high power, high rigidity structure, high speed character providing high efficiency, composite machining performance for customers to satisfy their needs and expectations. JSWAY CNC machine tools with professional configuration and complete model, with higher precision, more stable performance, and more durable. Precision technology, trustworthy. Create value, share value. JSWAY seamlessly emerge international advanced marketing philosophy with Made in China to set up a total solution of before, during and after sales for customers. Professional attitude determine the development of JSWAY. Times changing, the professional spirit and a win-win philosophy going. JSWAY leading the future of innovation with professional, safe and precise positioning manufacture to bring more value for customer and to reach a wider market. JSWAY will continually invest more in researching smart parts based on the big data information technology. JSWAY, trustworthy partner. Smart create excellence. Precision technology. JSWAY continually innovate smart machine tool manufacturer.